Okay. Go, let's go.
Meal time.
Yeah, you got a yucky one. Give it a bite. Wow, it's just like prawns. Woo. The legs, this is the back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special because I'm not just cooking, but we're going to prepare crab using open fire, the traditional way. If you enjoy simple village style cooking and family moments, make sure you like this video and subscribe. So here we're just trying to collect firewood. Me and my two boys and my lovely wife. So we're just preparing a place where we can lay our fire point. So we went out together, collect firewood and stones to build our cooking place. The boys are very excited and asking questions and helping out to cut some small pieces of wood. And this is how they learn, not from books but from experience. Cooking on an open fire takes more time and effort, but it also brings us closer to nature. This is a system that I was taught with my late mom on applying mud on the surface of the pot or on the cooking pot. If you're wondering what it helps so that wherever you cook on an open fire, the soot won't get in touch with the aluminium or the sulfuria, so it will be very easy for us to clean after the cooking. And this system, I really loved it. Now we pour clean water into the pot and place it on top of the stones. We let the fire do its work as the water slowly heat up. If you're wondering what is in the sack, continue watching with us. While we wait, we prepare our flavors. Nothing complicated, just natural ingredients. A few pieces of fresh ginger, crushed garlic, some lemon or some lemon leaves or lime leaves, and then with some dill to bring that fresh aroma. And these simple herbs will bring out the natural sweetness of the crab without overpowering it. And now the water is starting bubbling. You can hear it, right? The gentle boil, that's the sound of the firewood cracking underneath. And this is the perfect time to add our herbs into the pot. And those are the fresh lime leaves. So look at this. Now this is our live mud crabs. Look at that. Yeah, these are the crabs, right? Wow, they really look healthy. And indeed, they're healthy. This is the most important part. Now it's time for the main ingredient, our live crab. Carefully, we lower the crab into the boiling water. The boys watch closely, curious and excited. This is part of learning where food comes from, respecting it, preparing it properly and sharing it together. Once the crab is in, we cover the pot and let it cook. Yeah, so right now we're just adding more firewood and we let it boil for around 15 to 20 minutes in the boiling water. You know it's ready when you see the shell turn bright rich red. As we wait, we sit around the fire, talking, laughing, and cracking some jokes, and enjoy the moment. Cooking outdoor always slows life down in the best way. Remember, it's their first time to see live crabs and to see how the crabs are prepared. For my two boys and my lovely wife, this was a very great experience for them. For about 12 minutes, we check the crabs and the shell have really turned bright red. That's a good sign, it's fully cooked. And carefully remove the crab from the pot and place it on a tray or in a place to cool slightly. Crabs. So we just have to wait, put them here. Just the crabs. Okay. Lifetime, they've never held a crab before, so they're the first time seeing a crab. It is the first time for them to cook them. Okay, sorry, take it easy. Just drop it there. Oh, now you're a killer, bro. Wow. Damn it, nice one. The second one.
David, be brave, be brave. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Meal time, meal time, meal
Yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah.
Two of them.
Then take it down, take it down. Yeah! Nice one. Just hold down. Drop it.
Maybe you have not catched the nini. I have seen what you've done.
This is this. Okay, come and show you something. One of the hand is out. These are the eyes. You can see an eyes here. This is the eyes. Now this is the claws. It has got. It's really very strong. These are the legs. This is the back. Yeah, and the meat is inside here. So this is the crab. So right now we're just taking it down. Yes, this cold
So to
water.
cool them down.
Yeah, we have to cool them down before flapping them. So I'm waiting for this bunch.
There is something special about cooking over open fire. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. When you cook this way, you go back to the basics. No machines, no shortcuts, just fire and fresh ingredients and patience. And remember, the smoke from the firewood slowly rises and wraps around the pot. That gentle smoke adds a natural depth of flavors you can get from a modern stove. As a chef, you learn the best meal don't always come from expensive kitchens. Sometimes the most unforgettable flavors come from the simplest method. And this is what I'm teaching my boys and my wife on how to cook on an open fire and bring the true character of ingredients and flavors.
I just put this, and then now
They're
from
what?
here, mud crabs.
Mud crabs.
Yeah, they're found in mud. So for this is just easy. You flip it up there. You see?
Ah.
All right. You flip crabs. These are crabs. You can see. These are whole crabs. You might wonder where are the claws. The claws just got freed when they're struggling. They were struggling from saving their lives. So what you have to do, this is the outer shell. This is the outer shell. So the first thing you have to open it here. Just flip this to get the outer shell out. That's simple, easy. For this one, you can use it as your garnish, but you just have to get rid of this stuff. Get rid of that stuff. So this one, you'll just wash it and maybe preserve it later. But then from this point, let's get rid of these ones.
What is it? Poisonous or?
Not poisonous. It's not just it's like, I don't know. Should I call it gills or I don't know.
Unwanted.
Yeah, unwanted rest. And then there's this here. Other people eat even this one. Eat this one, the yellow stuff, but for us we don't eat. And then you get rid of this. So you just wash it rough there. You get rid of this. That way. So they want the part that is. Let's wash it that way. Wash it, and now this is super clean. So ask me where the meat. These are the meat. The meat is inside this whole shell inside here. You can see, right? That's the meat. Let's touch it. Let's go 1, 2, 3.
Now comes the part everyone has been waiting for. It's time to open the crab and enjoy the rewards of our cooking. But before we eat, this is also a moment to teach. I show my boys and my wife how to handle the crab gently, how to crack it the right way, and how to find the sweet tender meat inside. Yeah, cooking is not just about the fire or the pot, it's about passing down knowledge one small lesson at a time.
Do it. Take the shell out.
This one.
The shell, but you have to grab this side and this side, the chest and this one.
Just leave it like this.
And the legs have got meat. First of all, don't get used of throwing this away, okay? When you want to know there's meat inside here, you have to crack this. You see? You crack this. You see? No, this is the meat. This is the meat. Alright? This is ready to eat. See? This is the meat. This is ready to eat. Like that.
Eat again.
Right? This is the meat. Just get it rid from there. Like that. Nice. Very nice. No need to add salt. Okay? No need to add salt. because the seafood already has got some salt in it. Okay, so I've told you these are the legs, you got meat. Now we go to the main. This is the main part, right? This main part is meat, it's stored inside here, the way I just told you earlier. So the thing you have to crack your that, you see the white part here. Let me just show you this. The white part here, you just crack this stuff. Wow, you see this white? So this white stuff here, this is the meat. You see? You know why it's expensive? Because it's very hard to get rid of this. Yeah.
It's a lot of work. Anyway.
Delicious. Delicious, guys. Another part that you get, don't get rid of this. This is the clothes. Don't get rid of this, okay? The thing is, sorry, you have to crack this. Let me just get something to crack. So, you just crack here, okay? You crack this. When you crack this, you get this. And then you get rid of that. Look at that. This is the clothes, eh? This is the clothes. By the way, the clothes has got the most, it's the most part with the most meat, eh? Okay? So you get the shells out like that. Very easy. Like that. Wow, look, this is magnificent. You see, like that. Because it got some shells on, you can just wash it a little bit. Pause it. Just a little bit like that. Get rid of the shells. Okay? Now when you get rid of the shells, now this part it is meaty. Look at that. You see, it's meaty. Oh my goodness. Whew. I love seafood. Oh my goodness. Whew. See that? And then you get it in the mouth like that. Wow, it's just like prawns. Woo. Magnificent. Now this is how you eat the crab. How many people want to try this? Nice one. So let me give you a taste of it. All right, let me start with you, the smaller one. Okay, open your mouth. It's not poisonous. Your uncle is eating it, right? Get that shit out. Have a bite. How is it? Tasty? Are you sure? Okay, meat Onesimus. Can't get no bones. The only bones that you see only this, so no bones. How is it? You feel the saltiness? You love the crabs? Now that's my boys, guys. This is magnificent. Now it's you to eat the crab, guys. Are you ready for this? Wait back for the seafood series, guys. I want to show you everything about seafood, guys. Welcome to Diani. Says MC. Come. How you feel the experience?
How the experience is wow. First time scary.
Scary.
But now,
she was scared. She was scared.
But I love seafood. I love
seafood.
Yeah.
Exactly. By the way, a master with seafood, it's a domination, guys.
But for me, it's so different. I love
different.
seafood. Yeah.
Yeah. So today she's gonna try it. Is it for the first time?
Yeah,
for the first time. Yes, I might call it the first time.
Yeah, it's the
right?
first time.
Since, no, this is what he's gonna eat. Right? It's not a yucky one. Give it a bite. Ooh.
Oh, it's salty.
Yeah, and we didn't put. Did you put salt in it? No, and that's how. Because we have incorporated some ginger, some dill.
Nice.
Yeah, you love it?
You're tasty.
Tasty. Cool. Now this is how you eat the crab. So when you go to a restaurant, try this. Try the crab, guys. It's just good for your health. Another bite. Yeah. Now you can cook it further from here. Ginger crab, steamed ginger crab, saffron. You can just play with it around with cooking it. Now from here you can cook it further to add it more flavor and more tasty, guys. And we are
the cooking couple.
Bye.